Want expert answers faster? Use deep search inside Google AI mode. Step 1. Open Google and switch to AI mode at the top right. Step 2. Type a focused query. Example, cite NIH.gov latest CRISPR review. Step 3. Use operators, cite, file type, author, to narrow sources. Step 4. Ask for summaries with citations. Summarize key findings with sources. Toggle deep search for extended context and longer answer threads. Step 5. Refine with filters, date range, peer-reviewed, or domain. Compare answers side by side using the AI Compare view for clarity. Validate sources, open cited links, check publication dates and affiliations. Save results. Copy citations or export the answer to a document. Query examples highlighted. Compare meta-analyses 2020-2024 diabetes and best materials for carbon capture review. Done. Deep search in Google AI mode gets expert answers faster. Try it now.